Okay, so I need to make a little makeshift wagon because I do not feel like carrying all this crap to the shed and where they belong. I have this little skid, these rollers, those wheels, and the mower to work with. Let's see what I can come up with. So idea number one, attach the rollers to the skid. We'll see how that works out. I got one. Now this thing only has to work long enough for me to get this crap out of here. After that, I don't care. Two of them in there. Okay, so now figure out a way for a tongue to attach it to that, and should be all good. Previous builders of this skid were kind enough to leave me with some lag screws, for which I'm grateful. I'm sure they'll come in handy. Hammer time. So I got this hole drilled out just big enough to go over top of that. We'll see how that works out. Okay, I'm pretty sure I know how this is going to go, so just remember, don't try this at home, kids. Okay, here we go. So I know that thing won't hold that much weight, so I just went ahead and put all three air conditioners on it right off the bat. Yeah, that went smooth. Not. I'm going to change it up here a little bit. Okay, so I just drilled and tapped into the wood there, and then I put nuts on the other side of them to make them a little more solid. And here we go again. Made it another 6 inches. We'll get there by, I don't know, next week or so. My little board snapped, and I figured it might, so that's all right. We got more. Okay, three things afoot here. One, I had to use the bathroom. Two, I laid my bit down somewhere, my apex bit, and I can't find it. Number three, and most importantly, beer. This job is going to go better with beer, I can tell. Okay, now that we're properly set up, we will continue. Okay, so I just tapped these thicker boards and screwed them into it. I left that wheel on there because these are taller anyway, so we'll see if it holds. Kick this other junk out of the way here. Okay, now because there's no way that I've learned my lesson, I just went ahead and put all three air conditioners back on it, and we're going to go again. Now, one of the good things is the lawnmower comes with a handy dandy beer holder, so that's going to come in handy too. Working so far. Then we make it to there. Well, I think I got close enough. So my little makeshift wagon, using stuff I just had laying around, worked pretty well. I'll probably do something better with it, of course, but it worked. Made another slight modification. So, why did I take the time to build that little stupid wagon? Yeah. I've made about 5 trips back and forth so far. Pretty much done now, though. Yay! So, most importantly, we got the toys uncovered. Of course, this side over here still needs a lot of work. Well, that was enough work for one day. Got to shower. We're good. Gonna sit down, relax for a little bit.